These are the video instructions for the assignment called Make Art with Google Sheets. For this project, you will create a pixel art project using conditional formatting in a spreadsheet. A video series will guide you through the lessons. You will watch the video, then it'll tell you the steps to complete. The completed project will be submitted in Canvas. Okay, how to complete the assignment. You're going to start out by going to the assignment by clicking on this link. It should take you directly to the assignment called Make Art with Google Sheets. Click on Get Started. It'll say Get Started for you there. The blue button will say Get Started. And then for each activity, you watch the video all the way through. You don't pause it like the Edpuzzles. You just watch the video all the way through. Then you complete the steps below the video just as you saw in the video and mark complete and go to the next activity at the bottom. So you'll notice on this one, okay, there's the video. You're going to click on play, watch the video all the way through, and then you're going to follow these instructions to do what you saw in the video, and then you will click mark as complete. Once you have done that, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on next activity, and you're going to do the same thing. Okay, you're going to go through each one. You're going to play the video all the way through, do what it says in the instructions, mark as complete, and keep on going. It's very important that you click mark as complete, okay? Because you can just go through them like this, but if you don't mark them as complete, then it won't show that you did it. You will eventually come to a quiz that you need to retake. So what you're going to do is simply answer all these questions, okay, and click submit at the bottom. And then finally at the end, this is optional. If you want to do a little more, learn a little bit more, you can do some of these extensions, but you don't have to do those. So when you are done to submit your assignment, you're simply going to submit the spreadsheet that you created in Canvas using the Google Drive tab. You can click right here to see an example of a Google Sheets pixel art like that. Have fun.